Free Canva alternative and powered by AI. Hi, welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. In this 6 minutes AI tutorial video, I will show you how to create images for social media content using AI and how to convert them into animation videos. This free tool works like Canva, and we can use their AI assistant to help us create engaging content just by typing command prompts. So let's get started. Part 1. Introduction. You will need an Adobe account to access this new Adobe Express. This new version is powered by Adobe AI tools. You can create almost everything using this tool, such as social media content, videos, talking avatars, photos, documents, marketing content, AI logo generator, and many more. In this tutorial, we will create an Instagram content using AI. First, go to the social media menu and click the Create from Scratch button. Part 2. Create image background using AI tool. Now let's create an image background for our Instagram content. Click the Text to Image button. Choose the square aspect ratio and type your prompt in the prompt box. After that, choose your content type. You can choose a photo, graphic, or art. You can also choose your image style from the Options menu. Once everything is set, click the Generate button to start generating our AI image. This AI image generator will give us 4 options. If you are not satisfied with the results, click the Load More button to generate another 4 options. Once you have your desired image, choose that image, click the Back button, and click Set as Page Background. Part 3. Create object image using AI tool. Now, let's create our main object image. In this example, we will create futuristic shoes using AI. Click the Text to Image button, select the square aspect ratio, and type your prompt. After you have the desired image, click the Back button and click the Remove Background button. You can add effects to our background to match our main image. To do that, click the Effect menu and choose effects that match your style. You can also change the effect intensity by clicking the Settings button in the center of each effect. Part 4. Create beautiful text using AI tool. Now let's add text to our design using AI. To do that, click the Text button. Edit your text, its position, and size. To add effects to our text, you can choose from the text effect list by clicking the Text Effect menu. Alternatively, you can create your own text style to match your design. To do that, click the Back button and type your desired text style in the prompt box. If you want to change the text style, you can click the Remove Effect button and type your new prompt. Once everything is set, you can download your image by clicking the Download button and selecting your image format. Part 5. Image to animation. Now let's convert our image content into an animation video to make it more engaging for viewers. To do that, click on our main image and click the Animation menu. Click the Looping option and select an animation style. Now let's animate our text. You can also change the animation settings by double-clicking on the animation option. You can change the animation speed, animation personality, and intensity. To download our video animation, click the download button, choose the MP4 format, and select your video resolution. In this example, we will download the full HD version. So here is the final result. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Bye-bye!